Come with me as I journey now to become a 400-pound human. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, 5:50 a.m. in the morning. We're going to Krudar Muay Thai for a 6 a.m. BootCamp class. So looking to have a bit of a bounce back day today. Fortunately, the Blue Jays didn't get it done yesterday, but I like the spirit. The Jays went down early, 4-0, fought back to tie it, and we threw our superhero Jeff Hoffman. Maybe he was feeling himself a little bit. He had his Thanos bobblehead giveaway on Monday, and then by Tuesday we used them in a non-safe situation, and he gave up a huge fastball down the middle to Ben Rice, and he parked it. So fortunately we lost, but we're gonna bounce back. I'm really happy with what I've seen so far with the Blue Jays this year, and we're gonna bounce back and have a good day today. So catch you after the workout. All right, 7:08 post-workout, feeling good. Amazing session today. Shout out to Neil for running a great class. Shout out to Lawrence for holding the bags. Yeah, when I heard it was gonna be circuit day, I wasn't super excited, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Who am I to choose which workouts to do and not do? But it was not a circuit day, so I was kind of pleasantly surprised. Started off with a lot of bag work, 10 jabs, 10 hooks, 10 1-2s, 10 swing right, 10 swing left, and then followed it up with some more bag workouts. So I think it was 10 right swing, 10 push-ups, and then squat kick up to 5. We did 3 sets of those, and then after we did a couple more kicks. What was the next kicks after that? See, we work out, we do this, and then we forget. So we did the kicks with the squats. Oh, and then we did pyramid kick. So 1 kick, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, all the way up to 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1 on one side, switch over, do the other side, and then finish with 10 push-ups, so 3 sets of that. So however many kicks that is, felt like a million kicks, but either way I feel good. It's Wednesday, I feel strong. Off to go home and do a couple conference calls. We have a design session tonight, or later today in a couple hours with Kat and Luke. We're going to design some ads for Promer Sports Colorado, followed by an online drop. Today we honor the Toddfather Todd Helton, and a couple Rockies hats drop tonight, and then we do some streaming. So we do the preview show tonight for Views from the Vault. So feel good. Off to a strong start on Wednesday. Blue Jays going to start a new win streak tonight against them damn Yankees, and we're back again on Friday for another good workout.